Peace to the gods and goddesses. Peace, peace, peace. Peace to everybody, man. Peace to all races. Peace to the blacks, the Latinos. You feel me? Peace to the white people. Peace to, you know what I'm saying, Asians, Mexicans, you know what I'm saying, Dravidians, Arabs, Asians. You feel me? Look, y'all. So I'm about to break down rainbow to you, right? And rainbow, you know, it 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 has it's very significant, and I'm gonna break it down. But I want to break down rain first, okay? Because um I want y'all to know what rain actually signifies before I get into rainbow. All right. Now a lot of people say that rainbow is basically like a Stargate, you know what I'm saying, or a portal, right, to different realms, you know what I'm saying, of the planet. And I'm not saying that they wrong. I'm not saying that they right, but this is just my download on what rainbows are. Okay, so bear with me. So rain is basically, if you break down rain, it's raw in, right? But the element that signifies rain is what? Water, right? So it's natural because we are made up out of water. Our bodies, which is the outside us, needs 60% water in order for our bodies to function, right? So Ra is the sun god, right? So what is the highest form of a sun? The highest form of a sun is a soul, okay? The lowest form of a sun is the sun that you see outside, the physical sun, okay? So that physical sun, a lot of people say that that physical sun represents the sun god. But to be honest with you, in all actuality, in an esoteric way, it's talking about your soul. All right. So when it's Ra in, basically they're saying that your soul is inside of water because 60% of your body is made out of water. Okay. So that's what rain is. Now, rainbow is basically Ra in bow, and I'm gonna explain that to you. So let's just say you have a bow and arrow, right? And you're actually aiming it, you know what I'm saying, above your head at an angle. All right. You see that angle and you let go of the arrow, and that arrow goes up and then it comes back down like a perfect rainbow. Right. So when it says Ra in bow, it's basically talking about the Ra part is basically talking about the arrow. Okay. Because if you have the word arrow and you flip it backwards, it's basically War Ra. All right. War Ra. Now, the WOR in War Ra, if you look up the prefix war, it literally tells you that it's science. What type of science, though? Soil science. Okay. And there is a certain type of soil inside of rainbow. Okay. It's foamy soil. FOAMY. Foamy soil is inside of rainbows. Okay. Now, why is the rainbow Ra? The reason why Ra is inside rainbow is because of the esoteric colors that actually goes up and back down. That creates the beautiful light of rainbow. Okay. Those beautiful esoteric colors that you see, those are UV rays. Okay. Those are UV rays. That's the reason why they call it rainbow or Ra in bow. All right. And so I'm not saying that those rays are not portals. I'm not saying that they are portals. I'm just telling you, based upon my knowledge, what they are. And you could do your research yourself. You feel me? A lot of people are talking about is there soil in rainbow? And it really is. Yes. Okay. And it actually makes sense for rain to actually be called rain because the Ra in situation physically, if clouds actually come together, you feel me? It's literally hiding the sun. All right. If it rains during the daytime and the sun is out, and then next you know, you see a lot of clouds actually coming together, hiding the sun. Well, the hidden sun god is Ra, right? So Ra is inside the clouds. So that means that it's inside the water. That's the reason why it says Ra in rain. You could look at it like that too. You feel me? But this is just a quick download of the rainbow. You know what I mean? Because I've seen a lot of conscious people actually talk about the rainbow and what it means, different perspectives. So I researched it myself, and nobody literally talks about this yet. You feel me? So I was like,